3 ways to fight fatigue. If you're feeling fatigued in any way, do these 3 things. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is not intended to treat, diagnose, or to use as blanket advice. Consult your physician before following any tips on this page. Number 1, increase the quality of protein that you're eating. So I don't mean plant-based protein or protein bars. That's not what we're trying to do. Quality protein is found in grass-fed beef, eggs, and fish. Protein wakes your brain up, and it does it fast. We also have to ditch the fatigue foods, sugars and starches. So stuff like bread, pasta, biscuits, crackers, cereal, waffles, pancakes.
You get nothing! You lose! Good day, sir!
The third thing is you want to make sure that you're sleeping right. One way to improve your sleep is to make sure that you're taking magnesium glycinate about an hour before bed.